Now that we have an understanding of some of the roles within the ITIL framework from a service operations point of view, there are many different organizational considerations that can be inputs to the design of an organizational structure. There are many different ways of organizing, and no way is best. It depends on the organization, and management teams must try to understand what is most effective for their environment. Some of the factors to consider are organizing by technical specialization, by activity, by process, geography, or some mix of those factors in a hybrid organization. There is no one best way. Each organization must do what makes sense for it depending on the specific environment. For organizations that have designed by technical specialization, here's an example. At the top, you may have an IT operations manager who oversees the IT operations control, the infrastructure, applications, and facilities management. Within the infrastructure, you may have the various technology stacks, including mainframe, server, storage, network, etc. Whereas under applications, you would have financial applications, HR applications, and business applications. This type of organizational structure is highly aligned to the technical specialization of the people within it, and is one way to think about how to organize an IT organization. Likewise, some organizations choose to organize by activity. In this type of organizational structure example, IT operations strategy and planning sits atop a group of teams organized by activity. These include things like architectures and standards, capacity planning, service portfolio management, or new technology research. Under architecture and standards, you would have the applications and the infrastructure. Under capacity planning, you would have the various technology stacks. In addition, some organizations organize by geography. In this example, we have an IT operations manager who oversees the American, European, African, and Asia-Pac IT organizations. Under each one of those geographies, they have the various operations by technology stack. This is another way of organizing for service operations. And again, no one way is best. It depends. Another approach is to have a centralized IT operational, technical, and application management stack. In this organizational structure, an IT operations manager oversees control, technical management, facilities management, and application management, and the various technology stacks fall into the various buckets underneath that approach. In this centralized approach, some of the benefits are economies of scale, but oftentimes this creates efficiencies but makes it difficult to align to the specific business needs if they're disparate across geography or some other dimension.